Welcome back to my channel. Mumbai is a city filled with history, culture, and inspiration, and in Dadar stands a memorial dedicated to one of India's most fearless revolutionaries, Veer Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Welcome to Swatantra Veer Savarkar Rashtriya Smarak. Today, we are visiting this historic smarak built in memory of Veer Savarkar, freedom fighter, poet, writer, social reformer, and revolutionary thinker. This place is not only a memorial but also a center for patriotism, culture, and education. Born in Maharashtra in 1883, Savarkar became deeply involved in India's freedom movement at a young age. These revolutionary ideas challenged British rule and inspired many young Indians to fight for independence. He wrote powerful books and speeches that awakened nationalist feelings across the country. Here we can see statue of Swatantra Veer Savarkar at this Smarak where his legacy is alive through cultural programs, educational activities, exhibitions and patriotic events. This auditorium here hosts music, theatre, lectures and community programs throughout the year. Here, people come to learn about the history and feel inspired by the spirit of sacrifice and dedication. One of the major attractions here is the laser show and the beautiful maintained premises. The atmosphere reflects pride, discipline, and respect for India's freedom struggle. For students, history lovers, and tourists, this place offers a meaningful experience. Here you can see replica of cellular jail Andaman Islands. For his revolutionary activities, Savarkar was arrested by the British and sent to the central jail and in the Andaman Islands, also known as Kalapani. Despite harsh punishments and years of imprisonment, his determination and love for the nation remained unbroken. When we remember freedom fighters like Veer Savarkar, we remember the sacrifice that helps shape modern India. Their courage teaches us the value of freedom, responsibility, and national unity. If you are a foreigner or an Indian born and brought up in foreign country and ever visiting Mumbai, then do visit this Swatantriya Veer Savarkar Smarak. You will come to know his sacrifice for India to get independence. And this is at Shivaji Park, Mumbai. If you enjoyed this journey through history, do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos from Mumbai and across India. And if you love, please do suggest me what all I can show you in and around Mumbai. If you like the city of Mumbai to be visited, and please do subscribe and spread this video with as many people as you can, and please do without fail subscribe to my channel.